fasting, an ancient practice, is experiencing a revival as a popular approach to improving health and well-being. Once primarily associated with religious practices, fasting has gained recognition for its potential to transform both body and mind. More people are turning to fasting to lose weight, enhance energy levels, and combat chronic diseases. This resurgence is fueled by scientific research that highlights the numerous health benefits associated with fasting. Fasting is not about deprivation, but rather about strategic abstinence from food. It's a pattern of eating that cycles between periods of voluntary fasting and eating. This deliberate cycling offers a range of physiological benefits. Unlike constant calorie restriction, fasting allows the body to tap into its internal resources and activate cellular repair processes. There are various fasting methods, each with its own protocol and benefits. Intermittent fasting, a popular approach, involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting within a specific time window. Common methods include the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories to 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. Water fasting, as the name suggests, involves abstaining from all food and only consuming water for a set period. This method is more challenging and should be approached with caution and proper guidance. Time-restricted eating focuses on limiting the daily eating window to a specific time frame, typically 8 to 12 hours. The benefits of fasting extend beyond weight management. In the short term, fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. It promotes weight loss by reducing calorie intake and boosting metabolism. Fasting also reduces inflammation in the body, a key driver of many chronic diseases. Over the long term, fasting can have profound effects on cellular health. It stimulates autophagy, a process where cells degrade and recycle old or damaged components, promoting cellular rejuvenation. Studies suggest that fasting may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Many misconceptions surround fasting, often stemming from a fear of deprivation or potential harm. One common myth is that fasting leads to muscle loss. While this can occur with prolonged calorie restriction, intermittent fasting, when done correctly, can actually preserve muscle mass.